Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple process of obtaining your XRP address on Binance. It's a straightforward procedure. So, let's get started. First thing first, open Binance app on your mobile device and make sure that you have logged into your Binance account. Once you are in, now you will see wallet icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on it. And then, navigate to the top left corner of the screen. And click on the deposit icon. That is in the yellow color. Once you've clicked on the deposit icon, you'll see a search bar. Type in XRP in the search bar. And select it from the results. Once you select it, now, a new screen will appear. This is where it's crucial to select the correct network. Ensure you're choosing the right network to avoid any issues with receiving your crypto. Now, click on Ripple to proceed. Here, you'll find your wallet address along with the XRP tag. You can scan QR code or copy wallet address and XRP tag by clicking on the two squares icon. When you click on it, address will be copied. And that's it. You now have your XRP address ready for deposits. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.